In this video, we'll be ranking 30 Roblox development YouTubers to see which ones come out on top. Some of these YouTubers are entertainment oriented, others may be educationally oriented, and some just post random cool videos of stuff in Roblox Studio. The roster is mainly going to be based on factoring in certain criteria, such as upload consistency, production quality, the channel's history of content, which is how long uploads have been happening for, and the value that's provided to the viewers. This is not an exhaustive list by any means, but it mainly consists of development YouTubers that I'm familiar with or YouTubers whose videos I've seen. But you know who has an exhaustive list of learning content? Today's sponsor, Brilliant. Brilliant is an online learning platform that hosts thousands of lessons in math, science, programming, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Brilliant is designed to make you smarter every day by building your critical thinking skills through problem solving. You'll become a better thinker while building knowledge on specific topics. For example, I had a great time going through Brilliant's Digital Circuits course, which teaches you the logic of circuits and how computers think by introducing you to the many logical gates that we use on a consistent basis when programming, such as AND gates, OR gates, XOR gates, and so on. You can also level up your mathematical skills by enrolling into their other courses, such as visual algebra. And as you've seen so far, each of their lessons are interactive, so it's not just you watching some boring lecture videos, but you're actually engaging and upgrading your brain. To start learning for free, head to brilliant.org/crusherfire or scan the QR code on screen. You'll also receive 20% off an annual premium subscription, which gives you unlimited daily access to everything Brilliant has to offer. Big thanks to Brilliant for sponsoring this video. First up, we've got qweekertom, and I'm not gonna lie, qweekertom is gonna be, it's gotta be A to S tier for me. You know what? SKS for S tier. Qwe has so much information provided in digestible formats. He has extremely long, detailed videos that just take you through step by step. They're very in-depth. You get a lot of value and information out of it, and I don't have a lot of complaints. While his upload schedule may be kind of inconsistent, but that's given due to the nature of his content. I mean, one of these videos is 7 hours long, but you just get so much value and so much information in these videos that I gotta put him in at least A tier, if not S tier. So that's gonna be my evaluation of qweekertom. Next up, we have Leaf or Leif, I guess depending on how you pronounce it. If you enjoy development streams or kind of Roho-oriented Roblox development, I think you'll like his YouTube channel. He does live stream frequently, even though he's kind of got more recent uploads to the Roblox YouTube development scene. He hasn't been around for a long time, but he does have some good content. There's some great value in there. I think he just needs to hang around a little bit more on the YouTube scene longer and kind of build up a good channel. So I'm comfortable with putting Leaf in either A or B tier, but I'm just gonna put him in B tier for now because he needs a little bit of extra time on YouTube, and then I think he'll be a solid A tier and maybe verging in the future towards S tier, but we're gonna put him in a good middle ground for now. Next up, we have Duckable. This is more of an entertainment oriented channel, not educationally oriented. Leaf and qweekertom were more educational oriented. Duckable is more entertainment oriented. And let me tell you, Duckable has some great high production quality entertainment videos. As you can see, it's a little bit of a newer channel. The oldest video was only 8 months ago, but you can see lots of views happening because these are great videos, high production quality, grabs your attention. So I feel comfortable putting Duckable in, I think, A tier for now. A tier for now. I'm pretty sure once more and more videos start coming out on a consistent basis, probably squeeze his way into S tier for me. But Duckable, you get A tier, my friend. Next up, we have qweekertom. This is a little bit more of an unknown channel, or maybe considered the underdog, but he's got some great videos for beginner and intermediate topics and projects. It's a much more casual kind of channel with more technical and educational videos. If you take a look at his channel, he's got some good topics on things like type checking, meta tables, meta methods, a binder module going into things like object-oriented programming, springs, state machines, And these are kind of good videos for intermediate or maybe some beginners who want to get some ideas on how to make like a projectile system. He has somewhat of a consistent upload schedule, but there are some gaps, like 5 months to 1 month. There's like a 3 to 4 month gap right here. So there's a lot of good potential in this channel. Just needs to continue uploading videos, packing in a lot of value, and I'm sure he can climb up the tier ranking for me. But for now, I feel comfortable putting qweekertom in B tier. Next up, we have derpmonster83. Now, if you love development streams, and I really mean it, if you love development streams and you just want to constantly watch development streams, then derpmonster83 is your guy. He doesn't upload YouTube videos as much on a consistent basis, and the ones he does upload are more kind of news-oriented development videos, like, hey, what's the big news going on in the dev forum? What's next on Roblox Studio? But he does have a crap ton of live streams. So if we look at his YouTube channel, you see we got some video uploads. Some of them were newer, got some good views, but not very consistent upload schedule on the YouTube videos. But if we go to the live section, my friend 3 hours ago, streamed 3 hours ago, and a day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 5 days ago. There's a crap ton of streams going on in here. So if you love streaming, then you gotta go to derpmonster83. And as it currently stands, I feel like it's good for him to also rest in the B tier category. Next up, we got is RoDev. This is kind of one of those final boss Roblox development YouTubers. He's entertainment oriented, he has high quality production videos, and a mostly consistent upload schedule. As you can see, we can look at the videos. These are definitely all entertainment oriented. Can 6 devs make 99 nights without communicating? Pretty consistent. There are some gaps in his video history, but he does have a moderately long upload history. If we go back, I mean, we're up to 4 years ago, so he's been around for quite a while, and these were a lot of educational videos, but now he's moved towards the entertainment sphere, and so far it's working out good for RoDev. So for the entertainment aspect, we're gonna probably put him in S tier. I'm sure Duckables can catch up to RoDev. He just needs a little bit more history under his belt, and he'll probably make his way up there as well. Next up, we have his CoodSlayer. This is a newer, more hidden channel that focuses on educational and technical videos. As you can see, the oldest video was 4 months ago, so this is a very new channel. There are some good videos in here. Like, I saw this one pop up in my recommended. I was like, oh, let's take a look on his take on object pooling. It was a good video. Very educational, very short, sweet, simple, to the point, and I think there's a lot of good potential with this channel. But at the same time, though, come on, buddy. We gotta get away from the AI YouTube banners, and we gotta put in something. I mean, you could do one of those simple sub to CoodSlayer with a black background like RoDev does. But I think there's a lot of good potential with this channel, and I feel comfortable at the moment just putting him in C tier. Next up, we have AlvinBlox. Not much to say here. This is one of the OGs, but he has since disappeared from the Roblox development scene, and that's all I can really say. He's got a lot of history with Roblox scripting and Roblox scripting tutorials, so for that, he's just going to go in the OG tier, but he has since just disappeared from Roblox development. We haven't seen him since. Next, we have the Unknown Dev. This is kind of another smaller hidden channel that's educational and entertainment oriented. If we take a look, we've got the oldest video being 7 months ago, and there's only 4 videos in here, and the consistency isn't great. You can see we got 6 months and then 2 months. We got about a 4-month gap here, and then there hasn't been a new video since 2 months ago. I think there's also great potential in this YouTube channel as well. This is kind of like a mix of education and entertainment, like I said, but there's good potential here. So for now, I feel comfortable putting them in C tier. Next up, we got KashTheKing. This is another entertainment-oriented channel that has good production quality with the most recent videos. If we take a look at his channel, obviously he's gotten some pretty good views on some of these videos, but when your third most recent video is a year ago, and then you've got about a 6-month gap between this video and this video, and there hasn't been a video since 4 months away, you know, the upload schedule isn't very consistent. It's quite inconsistent. So while there is good production quality in these videos and they're good entertainment videos, the lack of consistent uploads is gonna knock him down a little bit. So sorry, Cash, you ain't going in A tier quite yet. I feel comfortable putting Cash in B tier. Now we have another OG YouTuber, I believe it's pronounced okeanskiy. This guy has a long upload history as well, and a lot of educational videos for Roblox development, but he has also abandoned YouTube like AlvinBlox. If we take a look at his channel, his most recent video was 3 years ago. And if we go back to the oldest, you can see there's a lot of older Roblox tutorial videos inside of here, up to 6 years ago. Lots of technical stuff, a lot of tutorials, but since this last video, he has completely disappeared, which is unfortunate. So for now, okeanskiy, you're just gonna go in the OG tier. Next up we have is TheCatargo, which is, I believe, how his name's pronounced. This is an intermediate to high-level educationally oriented channel. He dives into some interesting topics, such as edible images and edible meshes, which is pretty cool. But if we take a look at his channel, most recent video was 8 months ago. There's not a very consistent upload schedule, and there's not a very long upload history. Some of these older videos are really good. He dives into some good topics here with meta tables and classes, editable images, editable meshes, and there's some good content in here with these, as well as diving into Roblox TypeScript. But due to the lack of a consistent upload schedule and a lack of upload history, I feel comfortable putting TheCatargo in C tier. There you go, buddy. Now we kind of have another final boss here, which is RoBuilder. Now he specializes mostly in entertainment, but also kind of the building side of Roblox development. RoBuilder has an extremely consistent upload schedule, and I really mean a consistent upload schedule. You will not find any major gaps in this man's upload schedule. He also has a very long upload history. So we go back to 4 years ago, there's lots of tutorials in regards to building and map design and that kind of stuff. We got Blender going on here. And he's just been on this consistent uploading streak, which is why he has been able to get the subscriber count that he's at. So with that, I feel comfortable putting him into A to S tier, but given his long, consistent upload history, I'm gonna put him in S tier. Next up we have is stewiepfing, which I think is how you pronounce it, probably. This is an educationally oriented channel with tutorials and things like that. Stewie, he has a pretty good upload history. If we go back to the oldest, we're going back to about 4 to 3 years ago, and there's some scripting videos. We start with some how to script on Roblox. We got some beginner guides and stuff like that in here. And then we go to the latest ones, diving into different things like splines, animations, math.noise, some cool effects. And the upload consistency is, well, I would say it's pretty consistent. So I have no complaints with this channel. I think it'd be good to put him in, I think he fits well in the A tier category. So here you go, buddy. You get to slide on into A tier. Now we've got another OG creeping up in the roster, TheDevKing. This guy is kind of in the same realm as AlvinBlox. He completely disappeared from the Roblox development scene, went on to pursue other YouTube channels, but apparently TheDevKing is back. In fact, if we look at the most recent video, which was 6 days ago, he says, where I've been, kind of discusses, hey, TheDevKing is back. So guess what? There could be some good potential here. You know, if we go back to the oldest video, that's 7 years ago. This guy's definitely an OG in the Roblox development scene, teaching people how to get started with Roblox Studio. I mean, look, we got 1.4 million views on this video 7 years ago. Definitely an OG. So because of that, he goes into the OG tier. Next up we have is Azer. This is an entertainment channel. It's a newer channel, so there's not a lot of upload history with his content. In fact, if we take a look, there's only 3 videos on this channel, with the oldest one being 3 months ago. So yes, very new channel, but very successful channel. The first 3 videos have gotten a lot of views, and he's already propped himself up with 42,000 subscribers from just 3 videos. And so far from what I can see is that the upload consistency is pretty consistent. Looks like a video once a month, though we're waiting for the next video to show up. These videos have really good high production quality, but because of the lack of upload history, I think he just needs some more time to cook. And when he gets more time to cook and get more videos out, he's going to be climbing those tiers in my ranking. So for now, I feel comfortable putting him in B tier. Next up we have is RBLX. This is an entertainment and educational style YouTube channel. This one has a moderate upload history, but there is a lack of upload consistency. If we take a look at his channel, the most recent video was 8 months ago, and it goes back to 2 years, but there's not a whole lot of content going on in this channel. I think there is a lot of good potential, but it just needs the consistency of uploads, and then this channel, I'm pretty sure, will start to grow because there's some good knowledge in these videos, a lot of value to viewers and people who want to script on Studio. But for now, I'm gonna have to put them in C tier. Next up, we have CodeBro29. CodeBro29 is an entertainment-oriented YouTube channel. There is a semi-consistent upload schedule. There's a few gaps, like this was 4 months to 1 month. There's about a 2-month gap in here. Some gaps here and there, but the most recent ones have been all entertainment oriented. But if we go back to the oldest videos, you can see we go back to like 5 years ago, and there's some tutorials, I believe, in here. If we go back, yes, we arrive to the scripting tutorial in 2021. There's a lot of content in here. Obviously, the latest videos on this channel have been good entertainment videos. Don't really have a lot of complaints with it. So with that, I feel confident putting CodeBro in A tier. Next up, we have GnomeCode. This is kind of another OG scripter. He has great series on scripting many different kinds of games, great videos for beginners. If we take a look at his channel and we go back to the oldest, he has very old upload history back to 6 years ago. And he also has a consistent upload schedule. There was a big gap here, but I'm pretty sure this is like with RDC stuff, but you can see great tutorials here for making different kinds of games, and we can just keep scrolling back. There's a lot of content with different Roblox systems, different scripting series, lots of content. I feel confident either putting him in the OG tier, or maybe I'd put him in the S. I'm not sure. I'm going to put him in the OG tier for now. I'm pretty sure how these tier lists work is that you can also organize them horizontally and to kind of further refine the ratings for these channels. So actually, you know what? I'm going to do that. Let's horizontally rank these channels. I think I'm kind of okay with this. I'm pretty sure TheDevKing, and GnomeCode kind of go beyond okeanskiy. I'm fine with this rating. This rating, I've kind of got no opinions on. I think this is fine for now. Actually, you know, I would probably move CodeBro a little closer. These are kind of like the main entertainment guys up here. Sophie and Stewie, these are kind of higher tier, educationally oriented. I'm sure Leaf could make his way up here. He just gets a higher upload schedule, or not higher upload schedule, more consistent upload schedule, and get more videos out, and then he'll climb his way up here. Lots of potential with these channels. I guess I can't move stuff now. There we go. But next up in the roster, we have is Hoofer. This is kind of a devlog oriented channel. If we look at Hoofer, he's got devlogs on a game called Oaklands, as well as some entertainment, or not entertainment, but educational videos, such as looking into Roblox malware and building a tool to scrape Roblox backdoors. If we go to the oldest videos, we can see, I mean, it goes way back to 9 years ago, but these aren't development videos. We're going to have to kind of see where we can find his first development video. Here's some devlog for a 2D game, but how about Roblox? Okay, it looks like we start the development series for Oaklands back about 4 years ago. However, due to the inconsistent upload schedule, I mean, there's a 5-month gap here. I'm going to have to put Hoofer for now in probably C tier. But I would put him ahead in C here. Probably about here or here, somewhere around there. Next up, we have is BrawlDev. This is an entertainment and educationally oriented channel. There's an excellent scripting series he's made to get people introduced into Roblox development. He's basically kind of replacing AlvinBlox and TheDevKing. So he's the newer DevKing, or he's the newer AlvinBlox. His upload schedule is quite consistent. As you can see, diving into a lot of different tutorials and different Roblox APIs. The more recent videos have been entertainment oriented. If we look at his playlist, he does have a beginner scripting tutorial guide and an advanced scripting tutorial guide to dive into like intermediate topics as well as UI, so that's pretty cool. I feel confident putting him inside of the A tier, probably around here somewhere. I'm not sure. I mean, for the value he provides, I'll put him ahead because lots of value, but yeah, we'll put him in A tier. Next up we have is Rooks. I believe that's how it's pronounced. He has a great entertaining and informational devlog series for a game he is working on, and his videos have quite high production quality. There's definitely some good value in these videos for Roblox developers, so not only are they educational, but it does dive into some certain technical aspects of Roblox development, which is nice. He also has a bit of a longer upload history, going back to about 3 years ago, showcasing of an AI system and then some other devlog series, and then he starts getting into the entertainment aspects and then the devlog aspects. So there's a decent upload history going on here. Like I said, these videos are great, very high production quality. So because of that, I feel confident putting him in A tier. Next up we've got is ArkHannold. I'm mainly including him because he has an extremely promising game devlog that looks really, really good. I mean, it's kind of the only main Roblox development stuff. I mean, there's some other stuff going on back here, but I think this is more like, I'm not sure what this other stuff is. I believe these might be Roblox games, but this one right here, ooh, I want to see this horror game come out, Biohazard. In fact, 4 days ago, an OST came out for the game, so that's pretty cool. That means we can know that the game is still in development, and that's probably why he isn't really uploading much videos. He's probably just working on the game. But you know what? Hey, if he documents his devlog series, I'm sure he could get some nice videos pumped out, get people to see the progress of the game, and he would be would have a more consistent upload schedule. But for now, I feel confident putting him somewhere in C tier. I'll put him in the middle for now. Now we have Paul1RB. This is a great channel for Roblox news, certain tutorials, and some other educational aspects. So if you want to get all of the up-to-date information on the Roblox Dev Forum and things going on with Roblox, this is a great channel for it. He has a very consistent upload schedule, diving into different news such as the new video captures API, streaming enabled news, user input service, the update Roblox made for attachments, so a lot of news-oriented videos, as well as if we go back further, I believe there is some more educationally oriented videos in regards to things such as, yes, raycast hitbox, looking at hair physics using SmartBone, stuff like that. So there are some good videos in here to take a look at. With that, I feel confident putting him in A tier. Now we have MaximumADHD. He just uploads extremely interesting demos and devlogs, just random videos. This guy is an OG. He's been on Roblox for a very, very long time. So I'm just going to put him in the OG category. It's a perfect place for him. If we take a look at his channel, he does upload things here and there, some different things like a melee weapon test, Blue, recoil and spread mechanics, MP7. I believe he's actually working on a sequel to the game The Stalker, which is pretty cool. Yes, The Stalker 2, environment lighting shenanigans. So actually this upcoming game might be really cool. There's a bot demo and stuff like that inside of here, and some other strange videos. But this guy is an OG. Next up is UkDarky. This is a devlog, entertainment / educational-ish oriented channel, mostly pivoted towards entertainment now with a little bit of educational mixed in. He disappeared for a while. If we look at his channel, he had devlogs going on back here. That was 2 years ago, and then finally he came back from the dead and uploaded a video 5 months ago, and then 3 months ago, and then 2 months ago. So it looks like UkDarky, he's back. But due to the abandonment of his channel and then the sudden resurrection, for now he's gonna have to sit in B tier and climb his way up as he uploads videos more consistently. Next we have is Bloxy, another entertainment channel. He has good production quality and a moderate upload history. If we take a look at his channel, he has a somewhat consistent upload schedule. There are some gaps here, like this was a maybe 2 month-ish gap. The most recent one was 2 days ago, so that's good to see. A lot of entertainment videos going on here. If we go to the oldest videos, let's see what we got. I believe this is actually almost about on the edge of 2 years ago. So a moderate upload history and a somewhat consistent upload schedule with good production quality. So I feel confident putting Bloxy in A tier. So there you go, my friend. You get to rest in A tier, and we get to go on to our next contender, Spook_EXE. This guy's channel is similar to MaximumADHD, where he posts just random, interesting demos and devlogs. If we look at his channel, there's like a bulk projectile system thing going on here, some NPC node testing. There's some more interesting stuff going on back here. Combat system stream. So he did some streaming going on. Stable diffusion in Roblox. Face/body tracking. There's a lot of weird stuff going on back here, and then there are some older scripting tutorials. But recently his upload schedule has not been very consistent. There is some impressive content, but the channel right now doesn't seem to be the main focus for him, which is unfortunate because I think there's good potential in this channel. So for now, he's just going to have to sit in C tier. Now we've got Slight Nick. we got another Roblox OG. Now, he's not very active on YouTube. He does upload things every now and then, but his upload schedule is inconsistent. Look at his video. He had one of help me with GD script, which I think there was an issue going on in Godot he's trying to figure out. After that was a video 7 months ago of his require autocomplete demo for his plugin. Some other stuff in here, interesting demos explaining certain things. So there's some good educational videos in here, such as proper object access and fixing little object-oriented programming and the observer pattern and functional programming. So there's some good stuff in here, but I think he's mainly creating videos for the Roblox Learn channel. So that's pretty cool. So as for now, Slightnick is going to have to go into the OG category, and that leaves me. And sorry guys, I can't rate myself, so I get to stay down here in my little cubbyhole. So that's the video. Do you agree with my rankings? And where would you place me on this roster? Taking into consideration things such as, you know, upload consistency. Oh, I'm stuck in the... I guess I'm an OG now. I'm in the... I'm not an OG. But taking into consideration things such as upload consistency, value to the viewer, and so on. So let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. If any other YouTubers or development YouTubers are watching this, I hope you the best on whatever project you are working on, and I will see you next time.